Hey everyone, this is Ed from Tech Talk. In today's video, I'm going to show you an absolutely amazing free image generator, and it's technically from Google. It's called Image FX, and it's from Gemini Google. And um, basically, this is the prompt I use to create the cover that you see. Oops, sorry, went too far. The cover that was used for this video is I appreciate you being here, and if anything in this video helps you, please consider hitting the thumbs up. And you know what, I do several different types of videos. I do programming, sometimes I just do, self-help videos. And if you have anything that you need help with, I'm more than happy to help the viewers out. So just comment below if you're struggling with something, comment and I'll make a video for you. So but anyways, let me go ahead and show you. I don't want to waste your time. So that's the other thing. I just like to get to the point. I'm not a premeditated person. I don't premeditate these videos. These are just at the whim. I don't record it until I finally like it. This is me, plain and simple. All right. So anyways, this is Image FX. And the cool thing is that you can literally just click in here and, for example, I can take this. You can use Gemini to create these prompts, and it's pretty simple. I can go Control Copy, and I'll show you real quick, and then I'll come back and show you the prompt. If you don't want to stick around, that's fine. I get that. So I'm going to go ahead and Control V, and now keep in mind before you hit Enter, you can change these. Sketchy, homemade. You can test these all out. There's different varieties. Now, if you click way down here on the arrows, you're going to see that you can change the aspect ratio here. So portrait, landscape, mobile portrait, mobile landscape. So you can pick whatever you want. I'm just going to keep the default, and then I'm going to go back up here and I'm going to hit create. Now you can also change how many pictures you see. You can change it to one at a time, or you can do four. So, and as you can see, it gives you a similar image that we had before. Say, can you give me 5 magical image ideas that would be great for a children's book? And then do that, and then see what it comes back. Let's just see what happens if we take the this one right here. Do Control Copy, and then we'll go back over to this. We'll go Control A and then Control V, and then hit Create, and then see what this comes up with. And that'll be it. I didn't mean to go over 5 minutes, but I mean, this is really cool free application that you can use, and I've been using it for quite a while, and I don't know what 35 millimeter does. Let's try that. But as you can see, that, I mean, that's pretty cool. These are pretty cool images. Like, seriously, if you're creating a children's book or something, which I just got done writing a new book called The Boy Who Wished He Was Santa. Anyways, that's pretty much it, my friends. And if this helps you still, please consider hitting that thumbs up, and at least minimum hit that thumbs up. All right. Thanks for watching. I hope everybody has a happy Thanksgiving. All right. Thanks for watching. All right. Bye.